this video, we're going to take a look at an individual integral. It's going to be a basic U-substitution integral, all right? And so we're going to start and determine what we're going to let U be, all right? It's a good thing to do to think about the inside part of the function, my inside part of my function, and I can see that I'm going to get a 2e to the x. That's going to allow this e to the x on the outside cross out, so that is definitely the direction I want to go. So I'm going to start with letting U equal 2e to the x plus 1. I'm going to go ahead and take the derivative of both sides, so du. All right, derivative of 2e to the x is a 2e to the x. I'm going to go ahead and have that dx on there. I want to solve for dx, so I'll divide both sides of my equation by 2e to the x. I'll have a du over a 2e to the x. At that point, then I'll come back up here to my original integral, and I'll start doing some substitutions. The original e to the x is going to be out in front. I will then have the square root, replacing what's underneath there with my u, and then replacing the dx with what it equals, the du over a 2e to the x. All right, so like I said, that's going to allow us to easily cross off those e raised to the x powers. I'm still going to have a 1/2 here that I can pull out in front of my integral. So when I pull that out in front, I'm then going to save a step here, I'm going to automatically take that square root of u and write it as a u to the 1/2 power. So I'm going to have a u to the 1/2 power and then du. I'm now all in terms of u, so now I can integrate. I'm going to add 1 to the exponent there. That's going to give me a u to the 3/2. Flipping that around and putting it in front, I'll have the 2/3. And then we can't forget the 1/2 that was there originally. I have fully integrated, so I can now put that plus c in there. Doing a little simplifying here, this in front's going to give me a 1/3. If I want to go ahead and put this back in radical form, I could do that. I could have the square root of a u to the 3rd power. All right, just kind of keeping it in the same form that we've got right there. That's an optional step. Okay, now I can take this u and replace with what it originally was. So I'm going to have a 1/3. I'm going to have a square root of 2e to the x plus 1 raised to the 3rd power, and then plus c. So basically just a basic u substitution here. Personal choice on putting that back into radical form, because I could easily have this base quantity right here raised to the 3/2 powers, and that would be equal as well. So definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.